All right, a lot of people said I had to get this part. I had to get it. So guess what? Ta-da! The Scorched RC fender liners for the Mojave. I got them. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. That's right, I got the Scorched RC fender liners here. So we're going to do a quick review of the process. I'll start right here. Now, because of the way the fenders grab these body posts, it does complicate getting the body on a little bit. You kind of have to learn to kind of push and finagle it. So that's a little bit of a hassle. I did take a body reamer, opened up these holes a little bit, and I opened these up as well. Now the body post, because of the way this sits on, you have to elongate the holes here. Now he gives you like a little piece of metal that he says to heat up and slide it in there, but it was considerably larger than the hole that was here. I didn't like that, so I just took a drill. I got a bit that fit in there just about right. I took a torch to heat it up and just, you know, kind of drilled and worked my way up, and that's how I got that. I tried to watch his video. I did this side inside the house watching. Oh, I guess I should say that these come needing to be trimmed to fit. Not really a fan of that. But I went inside on the computer and watched his tutorial on how to cut it. This is the side I did watching his video, and I don't know, when I looked at this, when he did it, it looked like it was flat, but I think I took off too much right here. And then right here, it's flat as well. Maybe if we flip this thing over, you can see just a little bit better. See how that's kind of cut flat. Where this side here, you could see a little bit of that lip that's left over, and the fact that we got more fender on this side. So this side I did here in the shed. I trimmed it, I sat on the vehicle, and I was like, okay, maybe it needs a little bit more, and I kind of worked it there. It's what I should have done. The video just wasn't very clear. I do wish the lines for cutting this were, especially on this back half, were a little clearer as to where you go. To me, like this part, it just wasn't very clear on how to trim it. So you got two screws here to hold it to the little chassis extensions here. Two screws here. What I would do is put these two screws in, bolt it, and then sit it down, because the way this thing is angled, it's up against this. So I think that's the way he did in the video. So I followed that, did these two, and then tried to do that, and it didn't work. I had to take it out because this bolt is literally up against the bracket. But other than that, yeah, that's the install. It's not that hard to trim it. It's just kind of a pain. Something I really wasn't planning on having to do. And then you know, just I wish the things were just a little clearer to how to trim out, and you know, the body stuff. But other than that, now it's time. We're gonna go outside. I'm gonna run it around the yard, because if you remember when I did the 4S Creighton, I ran it around the yard with all the leaves and stuff we got. That did not work. Look at, oh geez, this is probably the worst bag ever. It was packed. It was totally full. So I think my yard's a good test for this. So we're gonna go ahead and get a battery, load it up. We're gonna rip it around the yard and see how much stuff these fenders can keep out of the chassis. So we'll see you outside. All right, here it is. Here's our testing grounds, the backyard. We got lots of leaves and dirt and sand. Ooh, wow. That was harsh. Okay. This should be a good test. See if it's going to keep stuff out of that chassis. Hey, the old ramp. That's before I got the RC stuff. Ooh. I'm no good at hitting ramps from anything other than behind. Yeah, this isn't. Ooh. It is a short course truck. It doesn't help having big ass sticks sitting there. Oh, I'm just having fun. I could probably already take it apart and test and see if it's kept it clean, but man, you got this thing out here. It's so much fun. It's like, is jumping it up the ramp really testing anything? No, but it's fun. It's not testing anything. Ooh, golly. Oh, nick the front. Oh, man. Oh, all right. Let's see. Let's see what it looks like. I also put some bigger body pins just to help me out. Well, we still got some debris in here. But I would say it is definitely way less than what it would normally be. I mean, nothing's gonna be 100%. But the thing is, there's no dirt in here. That's the amazing part. Yeah. So every time I've driven this thing, I've actually had grass and stuff so built up underneath this ESC fan. I've had to take that ESC fan off a couple of times and get all the grass out from underneath there. So yeah, I think it's working out pretty good. Let me, just in case, because I never know where this GoPro's recording. So we got some leaves in here, and you have this gap here, and these are leaves, so they're probably getting kicked up. But look at how clean. There's no dirt. There's no dirt in here at all. So nothing being thrown up from the tire. I think everything was just getting kicked up, kind of. I said the only thing in here is just leaves. If you look, I think that's a win. Like I said, I've had so much stuff get into here, which granted, I still have some leaves on the fans, but it is what it is. Can't keep 100% everything out. I like it. I think good suggestion, everybody. The Scorched RC fenders, I like it. This is going to make a whole lot better driving this. Now, I hope they'll make these for the Max Slash, because that one desperately needs it. That thing's even worse than this. That is a trash can on wheels collecting stuff. So, hey, everybody, thank you for the suggestion for the Scorched RC parts. As you see, yeah, it works. It works pretty good. I'll update it. We're going to still run the Mojave a lot, and I'll keep you updated. But I think, from here, if you watch my 4S Creighton video where I put the netting over, everything got under the netting. Things were under netting, on the netting. it got absolutely destroyed, decimated. How much dirt was inside running through here in the yard. And this is dry. Like I said, I get no dirt, just a few leaves. So I'm very happy. I appreciate the recommendation, everyone. Very good product. I like it. I can recommend it. So appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next one.